Ndongo yekurima here kana kuti sister muri kuti kudini irazhizha kai haisiriwo nguva yebumharutsva here because you can see even the clouds they are heavy, is it? Munorega tibatsirwa imi date ndiani 29 September. What I usually know is that the rain that falls in October is the rain to plant and to seed, I don't know. But besides, this is what is happening at Miss V mansion, you see. So Miss V, are you planning to plant maize here?
Not yet. I don't have those plants.
You don't have plans?
I don't have those plans yet.
What about if the time to eat meal comes? Are we gonna go and beg from next doors?
No, we won't beg.
So what is gonna happen? Because I'm eager to make it happen.
No, we'll plant ours, but not yet.
What about this rain? We should have done a winter plow. So just show me where to do it, because this rain demands me long time. Yeah, so guys, this is where we are, and we just feel like you see, if we are headed towards such a rainy season like this, you see, even my sister is running. Even the dogs, they could put their tails behind their hind legs. And the clothes again, they are just moving like jet reflex. Guys, yes, and it zvanzi mumwe uda kuitei zvanzi inoda kuita rope zvanzi nemhaka ndomuka ndakarara ndichiswera ndakarara ndokodya. Guys, this is not very good. Guys, let's appreciate something that's good. This is rain season, we're talking about that. So what we are saying is guys, as you can see now, we're just thinking, because if the time to eat chibage I don't want to be a baker, guys. So ina ndingamboda kuenda diaspora boys, because tasauri yo amana ndingarime chi chimondona. You need to see me, guys. So this is what I'm saying. Don't zimbash at the end ndinchida kudya chibage akomana. Ona ndinorima akomana. Hakuna chamatora atigonera. Ndoenda zvangu kwekuti ndinge ndichinzi uda basa kana kwakana soda kuti I want to tell them, if it is raining like this, you don't get any work. And now they don't employ people they don't know. They are employing online workers. Just look here, guys. This is the first time when I came here, guys. I want to tell you something, a secret. Let me look directly to you guys. You see, these are tissues. There were tissues here when I came here. I just want to show you the bunde, guys, as it is, because I've got the right. It's so long. Maybe sometimes they're not vaccinated, but let the laws be. You see, if you wanted to ease yourself, you could come up to this side, and this is the homestead. Can you see there? You were coming here. Sometimes I could hear people, very honorable people, saying, we just want to fetch firewood. But guys, let me show you. Can you see these are tissues, guys? When I came, I just found that I cannot live in such a situation. Can you see the bundek? And the toilet I built, I called it, you know, can you see, guys? Can you see? So this is where we were easing ourselves before. But through the love of God, guys, that's what I tell you. If you are a man, no matter your capacity or else you are down to earth, guys, but so that wherever you can give a hand, be a man of perfect English. You English, you want to make me go crazy. So guys, this is what I'm showing you. So this is the bund where we used to ease ourselves. But when I came, I found that it's better to put change house. But that change house now is assisting us. It's helping a lot, because now, one, there is no air pollution, guys. Let me say it that. There is no air pollution, guys. Your works will follow you. This is a place where we rescued the Togi chicks. Otherwise, all they could have just looking. We are heading towards the rain season, guys. And I'm happy for you. Everyone, allow me to speak like this. Why? Because sometimes, because you are the good people, you understand my mind, and sometimes, saka guys, more atakushika. Itenda kushika kapa nevanhu. Indopeka kwatiri teka team, I love you so much. Hey guys, keep on subscribing, guys. Amana musipo penyo ngunonzisatisa komana. Patirudo amakundipa komana. Papi jebo komana. Mwari mune nyasa. I don't know, but DJ Fanda and Mombonza Munengoni mambo, munengoni. Hari munengoni. Mungwa wenyu kani munengoni. Kuma kweupenyu. Muchange muripo. Munengoni. Kudzwai baba vangu kani munengoni. Why did the father hate a girl child? It's long back before, you see. There was no school for a girl child. Why? The father did not want to let a girl child go to school. Once upon a time, let me take you a flashback to what transpired. A father just eloped a woman, and you know, the time when the need was a child is gonna be born. The first born was a lady. Another time, a father woke up early in the morning and saying, "Mother, let's go to the river Sison." And the river Sison is such a river where there used to be crocodiles, and the crocodiles are still existing. When you get there, you just fix your gaze out to that. Even if you get inside, try to just have water to drink. The crocodile, the alligators, or even the mammals, they could suck you in. Father said, "Mother, let's go there." The two of them, together with their child, Sekai, went there. As they get close unto there, father said, "Mother," you saw that father was just, you see, old men, people of ages, was smoking his paper. Achibhema futi akati, "Amai, kandai mwana mudziva." Apo tiri kuona pane mamwe madziva aya anonzi anenge ane njusu bwei dzangu. Makaroti tinenge tichiona nemvudzi, tiri kutaura dziva rekwasisoni. Amai vachinoona kuti baba mashoko unozotaura nekudhara zvinonzi zvekunzi chikomba changa chisingabatwe fine, nekuti vaibva kubva vachimba ndanzwa bhotso kuti ndino chikomba wotita sei. Then you run away. Then the mother saw that there was no option. Then she threw the child into the river, and I could see the lines of blood in the river, meaning that the crocodiles have devoured the child. So for party two guys, talk to me.
Tambi. Hey, mama, I am come again.
Yeah, because I have to run. You see, we have got a 200-liter full of water. This one, can you see it? But
Yeah,
this water,
yeah.
we faced it that day, is it?
Mm.
But it's not good for drinking.
Yeah, yeah.
Besides, we are heading towards the rainy season.
Mm.
I decided, but is this not good, sister?
Ah, no, it's enough.
It's enough.
Thank you so much, Buddy. Too
Thank
much.
you so much. Hey.
Thank you.
Uh,
Kongs knows that were there not too many people there?
there were many, but I had to assist them. I helped those who are on front of me.
Oh, okay.
So that they can do it faster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's why
thank
I
you
see
for making
the
that. That was
sweat
fast.
on my face.
Mm.
So now we can have a good meal. So how are we gonna keep our things?
What things?
The rope.
No, we can leave it there.
No, the rope we won't leave it there. We need to close here so that if anything happens, you see, we have got dogs as part of the food.
Mm.
So if we close this, since we are done with using what water, that's why we said it's not good for drinking.
Yeah.
Even if anybody comes, because we've got dogs,
Mm.
it's allowed.
Yeah, that's true.
So what else here? What is this?
So you can put that one in the bathing room.
Okay, yeah, it's better because bathroom is part of the premise.
So those towels are the ones the dogs use. So I had to close them there upside down so that if it rains, after rain, we can still take those towels out for the dogs.
Which towels?
The ones you put in the bathing room.
Yeah, so
we put
it's
them
very
here.
nice. Even if the rain doesn't continue.
We put
Even
them
if
back.
it continues, I'm shifting these dogs into their new room.
Which new room?
It's the toilet.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I will show them.
Are you sure they won't mess there?
They want me, even if they mess, I'm capable of cleaning because it's part of my security.
Okay.
I studied about it already and I knew how I'm gonna fix it. They'll
Okay.
get into the toilet. Not in the toilet, but there is the veranda.
Okay.
They will be protecting the place as well.
Yeah, that's true.
My sister, I'm just picking up. So, trukudya nenyemba
Out. Yatabasa buti.
Ati mwana wemoyo.
Yatabasa.
I like all countries, sister. Namibia, Zambia, Nigeria, Tanzania, Botswana, Malawi, UK, China, every country.
I know that's good.
Is it?
Danger out.
And my favorite team, you know, is what? In football.
No.
Magebe Gepi.
That's a local one. What about English premium? Oh. Okay.
wati saka izvozvo bvunza kana madhara angu tingatisangane kumakomenti zvekuti chichausiwana
Maybe bomb kumakeda vaoneke.
guys, I want to thank you, Lord, for giving me you stand by me, guys. Continue liking, sharing, subscribe, whatever. Thanks, Miss V.
Bye bye.
I'm a little bit intoxicated.